Delivery Hero is a leading online food ordering service, and we have multiple brands around the world, and we are working in more than 40 different countries. So what actually I'm doing, to describe that, first I need to tell you a little bit more how the company is working. So we have a lot of brands around the world, and how company works, it acquired different brands. So it means that we have like completely different platforms and completely different API and data representation. So for example, the order itself can be different from one platform to another, but it's like bad for the company because everything should be unified in the end. The problem was to create a standardized pipeline for data producers and data consumers. On the one hand, we can have multiple data producers, such as just like applications in different countries, so they're different. And on the other hand, for example, we have backend services, such as like logistics or food recommendation. So they are using data from platforms and like vice versa. So there is communication between consumers and producers all of the time. And how it was before, like each platform or backend service need to create the connectors to each of the interfaces they need. So it means that we have like a lot of dependencies that we need to maintain and to develop actually. Yeah, so it was decided to create the common pipeline between data producer and data consumers. We built the whole pipeline on the AWS. So at the beginning we have API gateway, so all of the platforms send data to it. So there we have Lambda, which validates this event, and if event is wrong, platform should retry on their side. So after that it goes to Kinesis. Why we use Kinesis? Because first of the productivity, and the second one is that we can store data there up to 7 days. So we will make sure that we will not lose the data if the pipeline will not work for some reason, so we have enough time to recover. And after that, we have different use cases for the data consumers. So some of the data consumers need to get data as fast as we have it inside our system. Some of them need to get data like around periodically each month to have some reports, and some of them need like data analytics and machine learning teams. They need to get a big amount of data, but maybe they're I'm not so worried about the speed itself. So our task was to, in one architecture, to provide all of these data access points. It's already used in our company to create food recommendations, also in logistics, like to understand how many drivers needed in which area in the town. So it's already used, but we are hoping that we will have more use cases.